Every ton of this material was brought up from underground. There's about 15 million tons here when we started.
Vast, deep, and potentially toxic. Decades on from Pennsylvania's peak coal mining era, there are still wide expanses of waste, some near residential areas. This site is in Russellton, outside of Pittsburgh. Bill Spence co-founded Stronghold Digital Mining, a company that clears the coal waste and uses it to power Bitcoin.
This is about human beings, and quality of life. And you just can't discard waste in the middle of these places.
Spence's team is excavating the waste from this site, adding limestone to neutralize the runoff and create ash that can be used to help revegetate the land. There are thousands of abandoned mining sites across Pennsylvania, many with toxic materials that can leach into the waterways or catch fire and spread pollutants into the air. But cleaning it up is part of the process of reclaiming the land, turning it into something safer that can also be useful for the community. Trucks transport the coal waste 80 kilometers north to the Scrubgrass power plant. It generates electricity in a process recognized in Pennsylvania as Tier 2 alternative energy that allows for subsidies. And they're testing carbon capture technology to reduce carbon dioxide emissions.
We remove, on average, probably 95% of the nitrogen oxides, or NOx, over 95% of sulfur dioxide acid gases, which causes acid rain, and over 99% of the particulate emissions.
The power plant runs 24/7, providing backup supply to the region's electricity grid, and a data center generating Bitcoin.
People they just assume, we're sitting here mining Bitcoin. They don't actually realize how we're generating this power.
Climate and energy specialists, though, point out there are better ways to clean up.
The waste coal that they're proposing to burn was already inefficient. It's highly polluting, too inefficient and dirty to burn the first time around. Using it for crypto mining just doesn't make a ton of sense for the local community.
Some estimates show mining Bitcoin globally requires nearly the same amount of electricity as consumed in the entire state of Virginia in a year. Zooming out on the state of Pennsylvania shows a vast and dirty coal waste problem. Nobody's claiming this crypto mining process is perfect, but it is at least one tangible solution. Caroline Malone, CGTN, Pennsylvania.